What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. Now listen, I got a lot of scammers out there impersonating me. I got a lot of people making fake social media platforms, scamming people. So beware. Please beware. If any King Hussle page randomly starts following you and writes you saying, yo, what's up? You looking to buy this? You looking to do this? You looking to that? That is not me. If any new King Hussle page starts following you, just like they just made it, that's not me. If any King Hussle page starts writing you or follows you or talks to you that's following more people that's following them, that's not me. I'm not going to even write nobody first. So if any King Hussle page, period, writes you, that's not me. My IG name is not King Hussle on YouTube. I don't got 50, 60,000 followers on IG. 29,000 followers is what I do have on IG. My two King Hussle pages is King Hussle X1M and the real King Hussle X1M. Not no King Hussle backup. That's not me. If anybody talks to any Telegram page right now with the name King Hussle or Hussle Nation anything, that's not me. YouTube. Every time I drop a video and people comment, and under your comments, somebody with the Telegram King Hussle X1 comments and try to get you to do business with them. That's not me. The tail and Telegram spelled a little weird, so that's not me. And before y'all send y'all money, just get a FaceTime verification call or a video so you can make sure you send your money to me to see this face so you won't get scammed. That's just about the smartest thing that you could ever do. Y'all gotta stop being so thirsty and stop being so blind to the fact that y'all know it's scammers out there impersonating people. Y'all just giving y'all money away. So be more aware. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get into it. So today, this video, I'm dropping gems. I'm gonna get right into it. I'm dropping gems because a lot of people don't know about this, and Equifax has a breach settlement. So apparently in September 2017, Equifax announced it experienced a data breach, which impacted the personal information of approximately 147 million people. A federal court approved a class action settlement that resolves lawsuits brought by consumers after the data breach. Equifax denied any wrongdoing, and no judgment or finding or wrongdoing was made. If you are a class member, the deadline to file initial claims for free credit monitor or up to $125 in cash other than reimbursements passed on January 22nd, 2020. The settlement is now effective. If you requested a cash benefit during the initial claims period, the amount you receive may be significantly reduced depending on how many valid claims you submitted by other claim members. Based on the number of potential valid claims that have been submitted to date, payments for the time spent in alternate composition of up to $125 likely will be substantially lowered and will be distributed on the proportional basis if the settlement becomes effective. Depending on the number of valid claims filed, the amount you receive may be a small percentage of your initial claim. All right. And they filed it and they passed it. So now they're giving people up to $20,000. Yes, $20,000. If you can turn in the right documents and the right paperwork, you can get $20,000. But I'm going to take it even a step farther. I'm going to show you where to go to get the settlement, and I'm going to show you what to do, and I'm going to tell you what to do so you can get approved for up to $20,000 in the Equifax data breach settlement. All right, so King Hussle got y'all. I got to wait for y'all to get some money. Just follow these steps, and I'm going to put the information in the description so y'all can come back to the video, follow the steps and all that good steps. I want y'all to share share this video, like this video, comment on this video, because this is one of the best videos on YouTube right now. I'm literally finna show y'all how to get $20,000. Yes, $20,000. I already did mine, so now it's time for you to do yours. Let's get into it. All right, so what you want to do is you want to go to EquifaxBreachSettlement.com. All right, welcome to the Equifax Data Breach Settlement. All right, so first thing, and this is the website. Let me give you guys a good look so when you go to it, you know what I'm saying. This is it. So the first thing you want to do, you want to click on this right here. Click on file extended claims period today. Following page, click the extended claims period claim online. Do not file by mail. All right. So boom, you click this right here. Boom. All right. Then read the following page. Hit next and input all your personal information. Boom. So you're gonna put all your personal information right here. Once you do that, the following page will show you section 1, cash payment, time spent. After reading paragraph, you are going to check the indication underneath stating, yes, I spent time, all right? So once you get to that page, you're going to click I spent time. So let me just fill out this information real quick, and then I'm going to click back to it. So once you get to this part right here, you're going to click on, yes, I spent time, all right? So make sure y'all click on that. And then in the explanation, you are going to use any of the following examples to twist to suit your taste. All right, so you got to twist it up. My information was incorrectly used in violation of my FCRA rights. I'm a victim of identity theft. You will need to file a police report to back that up. This data breach has caused my information to be released on the dark web and is hindering me from moving forward with any credit related, i.e. establishing new credit, buying a house, car, get utility bills, etc., etc. All right, so then section 2, cash payment, money you lost or spent. You will enter up to $20,000 and proceed to list amounts of past due bills, collections, student loans, charge-offs, etc., and provide the supporting documents. Your credit report, appoint a lawyer, or so on and so forth. So if you get your credit report and show all your collections and all that, late payments and all that, that'll be accepted. In section 3, how would you like to receive cash payment? Choose your option. Check prepaid card or PayPal. I highly suggest check a prepaid check or prepaid card, as PayPal is known for holding people's funds. Then you are done. So either get a check or prepaid card. That's all you have to do to get approved for the $20,000 Equifax data breach settlement, all right? So all you just enter all your supporting documents right here. Explanation of the time spent, what month. So right here is if you spent time trying to recover from fraud or identity theft caused by the data breach that was not associated with freezing or unfreezing credit reports or purchasing credit monitoring services, and at the time occurred between January 23rd, 2020 and January 22nd, 2024. So that's everybody, like, you know what I mean? It's still going on. Please complete the chart below. You can be compensated up to $25 per hour for up to 20 hours. Your payment may be less depending on the number and amount of claims you file. If you file 10 hours or less, you must describe the actions you took in response to the data breach and the time each action took. If you claim more than 10 hours, you must describe the actions you took in response to the data breach and include supporting documents showing fraud, identity theft, or other misuse of personal information. Would you like to make a claim for this time spent as described above? Yes, I spent time. Please complete the chart below. By completing this chart, you are certifying that the time spent doesn't relate to any other data breaches. You are also certifying that you have not received reimbursement for the claim lost through the other means. All right, so fill all that out. And like I said, I'm gonna let y'all know right now. Hold on, let me go back to it. For section 1, just fill out all the information that you need. So just In the explanation, you are going to use any following examples to twist your truth. My information was used incorrectly, used in violation of my FCRA rights. I am a victim of identity theft, but you need a police report to file that. This data breach has caused my information to be released on the dark web and is hindering me from moving forward with any credit related, i.e. establishing new credit, buying a house, car, getting utility bills, and etc. Right? So boom. That's what y'all put right there. And once you put that, you go into session 2. Like I told y'all, you click cash payment, money you lost spent. You will enter up to $20,000 to proceed to list all amounts of past due bills, collections, student loans, charge offs, etc. Provided documents, your credit report. You know what I'm saying? So just give them get a screenshot of your credit report, upload it, and then you'll be good. Check either when it asks you how you want to receive payment, do a check or prepaid card, and just go from there. So let's talk about it. There you guys got it. I just dropped a $20,000 for sure gem that you guys can go get you $20,000. Ain't nobody on YouTube doing this. Ain't nobody throwing y'all gems like this. Ain't nobody talking about this because this is something they don't want you guys to know. This is something they want to keep on the hush hush. But me, I'm gonna put it on the front so you guys can get that money and go do the stunt. You hear me? So go get y'all $20,000. The Equifax breach settlement due to identity theft, fraud, and all that good stuff like that. So make sure y'all go get y'all some money. If ain't nobody tell y'all, Hussle told y'all. So I want to make sure everybody on this platform who watches my video has the chance to elevate, has the chance to become successful, has the chance to create generational wealth, has the chance to do something very great in life. And a lot of people don't have that opportunity. So if this $20,000 or however much you get approved for can put you in a better position, put you in the lane and start doing something better in life, that's all that matters, because I want to see everybody being successful. I want to see everybody being able to be at the top of the pyramid, everybody being able to help somebody else, because I can't help everybody in the world. But as long as I can touch enough people that can help the next person who can help the next person, that's all that matters. It's a domino effect, and that's all I reach and should strive for. So shout out to everybody that's been watching my videos. Shout out to everybody that take my videos, watch them, listen, not just watch them, and listen and hear what I'm saying and comprehend and link different videos together and put different steps and different methods and different ways to make money together and start making use of money. People just watch my videos, but they don't listen, they don't hear. So shout out to the people that listen, watch, and hear the videos. Shout out to all my real King Hussle fans. Shout out to all my real King Hussle supporters, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping this sauce. Y'all motivate me to keep inspiring y'all and motivating y'all to become something better, because everybody can be great in life. Everybody has a mission in life. Everybody has what's the word I'm looking for? Everybody has a reason why they're here. It's either up to you to either go down this lane or go down that lane. The more you go down that lane, the more you're going to have trouble. The more you go down this lane, the more you're going to have success. It's all up to you. Every decision has a reaction. So just let's make the best decisions that we can in life. Let's start elevating in life. Let's start focusing on credit, because like I said, personal credit and business credit is two different things. You can literally leverage and get business credit and loans and lines of credit and credit cards way faster than you can with your personal credit. It's very hard to get loans and credit cards with your personal credit. It's very easy to get credit cards and loans with your business credit. And that's why a lot of people work more on the business side, vice versa on the personal side. And we're going to dive more into that later in later videos and that. But this video, go get you $20,000. In the description, I will post every step-by-step that you need to do to go get that loan. All right, so make sure y'all pay attention to that. Make sure y'all get that money. It's your boy King Hussle. I'm still looking for rappers. I'm still looking for actors. I'm still looking for models. I'm still looking for content creators. I'm still looking for producers. I'm still looking for cameraman for the production company, Hussle Nation. So if you're a rapper, tap in with me. If you ain't never invested in yourself, I'm not going to invest in you. If you really serious about this and you got some views, you got some talent, and you really working, tap in with me. If you're a producer, you good with them keys, you good with them beats, tap in with me. If you are a cameraman in Houston, Texas, or surrounding areas, or you able to travel, tap in with me. You got a 4K camera, you good with them edits, tap in with me. If you're a model, you tired of being beautiful for free, you tired of taking these pictures and for nothing, you tired of getting cute for nothing, you tired of shaking your behind on camera for nothing and posting them not getting paid, Tap in with me. I will put you and direct you into the right lanes, into the right directions for you to be successful, for you to become a businesswoman, for you to start investing, for you to start using your beauties and get paid, so for you to become the queen that you are set out to be. So tap in with me, and I'm going to show you how to be blessed. I'm going to show you how to get rich. I'm going to show you how to create financial freedom. I'm going to show you how to do all that. Just be willing to work. Please don't have an attitude. Please be ready to work, and we're going to get up to the top of the pyramid together. All right? I got you. Content creators, you got at least 500 subscribers on YouTube and you got at least 2,000 watch time hours. Tap in with me. I'm looking for new content creators. Tap in, sign up H&E, and I'm going to show you how to get paid. We're going to get paid together and we're going to elevate together, point blank period. So everybody out there, it's your boy King Hussle. Look out for the giveaway video dropping soon on one of these channels. And let's make this money. Oh, yes. I'm doing unlimited gems right now. So it's December 26th. $500, unlimited gems. Tap in, don't miss out. I might be done tonight. I might be done tomorrow. I might be done next week. So tap in with me. Come get your unlimited gems for $500. Come learn how to win. Come learn how to make passive income. Come learn how to invest. Come learn how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media platforms and other things like that, and just win in life. So make sure you tap in. It's your boy King Hussle. Links are in the bio, all my social media platforms. I'll see you next video. Peace. Go get your 20 G's.